Instacart sign up, create account in Instacart app. If you wish to create an account on the Instacart app, it is actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the Instacart app, and first you must select whether it's for personal use or business use. And if you already have an account, you can tap the login button, but if you don't have an account, tap on the sign up button that you can see from the very top. Now you can sign up using your phone number, or you can also sign up using your email address, but aside from that you can also create an account using your Google or your Facebook account. But depending upon whatever is comfortable for you, you can go ahead and enter that and tap on continue. After that, you will be asked to set up a password if you already don't have an account, and by following the on-screen instructions you would have successfully signed up or created an account in Instacart app. I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon as always in the next video.